One sunny morning in the jungle, Kitten, Monkey, and Baby Elephant were playing near the sparkling river. Kitten, with her soft gray fur, loved climbing trees, while Monkey swung from vines and Baby Elephant splashed joyfully in the water with his tiny trunk. "Let's go on an adventure," said Monkey, his eyes twinkling with excitement. "Where should we go?" asked Kitten, stretching her paws. Baby Elephant trumpeted, "Let's find the rainbow tree. I heard it has magical fruit that glows at night." The trio set off together, helping each other along the way. Kitten used her sharp eyes to spot hidden paths, Monkey swung ahead to scout for obstacles, and Baby Elephant used his strength to clear fallen branches. After walking for hours, they finally found the rainbow tree. Its glowing fruit shimmered in every color. They each picked one, and as they took a bite, the fruit filled them with happiness and energy. On their way home, they decided to share the magical fruit with the other animals in the jungle. That night, under the starry sky, everyone celebrated together, their hearts glowing just like the magical fruit. From that day, the three friends were known as the jungle's bravest adventurers.